Well, we are now getting in a quick eBix cash news alert from Jammu. NC leaders Farooq and Umar Abdullah are currently in Jammu chairing a meeting with office bearers from 10 districts in the Union Territory. The strategy for the upcoming assembly elections is on agenda. Gursimran is reporting live on this. Gursimran, good morning. Give us more details of what you're picking up about this meeting. We understand that they are already discussing assembly elections.
Yes, the meeting has begun here at the Sher-e-Kashmir Bhavan, which is the party headquarters in Jammu, wherein Farooq and Umar Abdullah both have arrived some couple of minutes back, and now they are holding meeting with office bearers from all 10 districts of Jammu and Kashmir. And the strategy for the upcoming assembly elections is now being devised. It is really very important because we have seen yesterday a statement coming from Farooq Abdullah, wherein he said that next time in the next assembly elections we will be forming government in Jammu and Kashmir. And now NC don't want to leave anything at chance, nothing at chance. And they want to make it very sure that they reactivate their party cadre, which was almost in a sleeping site for almost 2 years. But now they want the party cadre to re-strengthen again so that they can pose a serious competition to other parties in the upcoming elections, because it has become almost clear that it won't be People's Alliance for the Gupkar Declaration that will be going for the elections, but the parties that will be going election on their own. And that's why National Conference has started strengthening their party cadres, and that's why this important meeting is being held here, wherein right now Umar and Farooq Abdullah both are inside the Sher-e-Kashmir Bhavan, where they are addressing the party cadre to strengthen them so that when the election comes, there is nothing like that party hasn't worked, and they want to have maximum seats in Jammu region as well to give Bharatiya Janata Party a tough competition, because in the last assembly elections BJP secured 25 seats, but this time National Conference is of the view that they can perform better than BJP. Yes.
All right, Gursimran reporting on that. Thank you.